Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up pre-market scanner Thinkorswim. In this walkthrough, we'll build a simple, effective pre-market scanner so you can quickly surface stocks within a defined price range before the opening bell. We'll keep the process straightforward, explain what each choice does, and share a few helpful notes so everything makes sense as you go. Start by opening the Thinkorswim app. Once the platform loads, give it a moment to pull in market data. You're looking for the scan area, which is where all the stock filtering tools live. Select the Scan section to bring up the main scanner workspace. This is your control center for building queries that narrow the market down to what matters to you. Next, choose the option to add a filter. Filters tell the scanner exactly what to include or exclude. For a price-focused pre-market view, we'll use a stock-based filter that targets the most recent trading price. From the Filter Type menu, choose Stock, and then select Last. The last value reflects the most recent trade price, which is especially useful in the pre-market session where price can move quickly with lighter liquidity. Now enter a price range of 1 to 50. This sets the scanner to only return symbols with a last trade between $1 and $50. Limiting the price range helps you concentrate on names that often see active pre-market movement without straying into ultra-high price stocks. If you're following a strategy that prefers a different band, you can always adjust later, but 1 to 50 is a practical, focused starting point. As you configure, follow any on-screen procedure the platform presents. Depending on your layout and saved preferences, you may see small prompts or default settings appear. Keep an eye on the filter row to confirm it reads Stock, Last, and shows your chosen minimum and maximum prices. Small details here ensure the scan behaves exactly as expected. When you're satisfied with the setup, click Scan to run it. In a moment, you'll see results populate in the lower panel. Each row represents a symbol that meets your criteria, and you can observe how the list updates as pre-market activity evolves. This view helps you quickly identify candidates to research further, check on charts, or monitor as the opening approaches. Remember, pre-market data can be more volatile and less liquid than regular hours, so treat moves and sizes with appropriate caution. That's it. You've created a clean, price-focused pre-market scanner in Thinkorswim. Use it as a reliable starting point each morning and adjust the price range later if your trading plan calls for it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a faster, more organized pre-market routine.